Hi friends, myself Rekha. I am pursuing my final year MCA at Veltech High Tech Engineering College, and my project title is an automatic accident prediction using AI learning algorithm. And this is my company profile. And my objective of the project is to reduce the roadside accidents by using artificial intelligence. It can make the decisions automatically and reducing the manpower and allocating the rescue process that are required for the accident. And this is my literature survey. In existing, there is a safety is only available for roadside facilities. In proposed system, I can use a artificial intelligence system to predict and estimate the accident. An existing system is the decisions are taken manually and based on incomplete and inaccurate data. Drawbacks, and the emergency services are based on incomplete or inaccurate data. Dramatic increase of traffic accidents and no accident prediction, and there is no notification message sent to the warning message, and there is no control unit. And the proposed system, it can estimate the accident by comparing the data that are from the database, and vehicle to vehicle infrastructure and vehicle to roadside infrastructure are used to provide a wireless communication. It limited by the data automatically retrievable, omitting other information, and get the driver degree of attention. Since this process combines, it can able to predict the accident before it gets happened. Advantages: a fast and accurate estimation of severity of accident, reduces the number of road fatalities, and can reduce the number of accidents by sending a warning message to the vehicle by using a central unit. And this is my architecture, and there are three databases used in the project, that is accident, emergency, and vehicle. And it can store the information about the accident that are occurred previously, and the emergency can store the information about the rescue process.
Voice only, the silent edge.
First we have to get the information from the vehicle. That information has been received, and it can be analyzed by using the parameter analysis. That information can be used to estimate the accident. After estimating, it can be sent to the AI learning process before it can accident can happen. It can use it to predict the accident. After predicting, the notification is sent to the user vehicle. If accident occur, means the notification sent to the emergency services. And this is my system specification. And this is my proposed methodologies. I can use a learning algorithm, that is learning by induction, learning by self-experience, and self-learning. Learning by induction, that is used to compare the data that are stored in the database. They can made a decision tree to get the solution for the problem. And learning by experience, it is a process that create a own scenario. That scenario has been get more solutions for the problem. Self-learning, it is data that are from the web server. They can able to get the solution differently. This is my module. And in message engineering, we can get information about a vehicle, like a speed of the vehicle and current position and route, that is from the vehicle sent to the server. And this is my module diagram of vehicle, that is we can get the input data and coordinating the input data, convert into the array of bytes, sending data through the socket program. And this is my second module, pre-processing. Here we can do the parameter analysis. This is my module diagram, that is receiving array of bytes, converting bytes into string, and splitting data, arranging into a standard order. This is my screenshot. And this is another module, accident severity estimation. It is used to estimate the accident before the injury occurred. It can be able to decide and provide a relative measure of the potential effect of collision on the integrity of vehicles and people involved. To obtain this estimation, we can make historical data about the previous accidents contained in a existing database through a process of learning solutions. This is my model diagram. First we have to order the data, extracting a vehicle, about vehicle information, and finding number of vehicles on the road. estimating the severity using k-means clustering. Here we have to cluster the data uh, based on a clustering process, and this is my screenshot. That is a vehicle information that route, speed, and accident type and time, number of persons, and severity can be done by using a learning process. An accident prediction, here we